Hey friends! Today we're making brioche buns. What I love most about these is that they taste like croissants. Fluffy, soft, and incredibly buttery. Plus, you could totally make Big Macs with these because they're huge. More buns means more to enjoy. So let's get to baking. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine 237 grams of lukewarm milk, 8 grams of instant yeast, 2 large eggs, 450 grams of all-purpose flour, and 8 grams of salt. We're gonna add the butter later in the process. Now mix on low speed until a dough forms. Gradually add a 1/4 cup of softened butter, mixing on medium speed for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. This helps to create soft, airy, and buttery buns. Transfer the dough to a greased bowl. The dough should be slightly sticky. Cover and let rest for 1.5 hours or until doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface. Divide the dough into 6 equal pieces. Working with one piece at a time, shape it into a smooth round. Transfer your dough balls to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm using 4.5-inch burger ring molds from Amazon to shape my buns. These are completely optional, but they do give your buns a nice shape. Gently place your dough balls into a ring mold. Then using the bottom of a flat cup or bowl, gently press each one down to flatten slightly. Cover and let rest for 45 minutes. After your dough has finished proofing, brush the tops with an egg wash. 1 egg mixed with 1 tablespoon of milk. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top if desired. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown like this. Why go to the store when you can make your own brioche buns? Unless you're going to the store to buy ingredients to make these buns. Look at how beautiful. These are so easy to make and they taste so much better than store-bought. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Stay till the end for a surprise. So good.